Greetings, I would like to solve this interesting Sudoku. Here it looks like most of Sudoku already occupied, but there are fields which are unoccupied blocks here, here, and here, and also here. And there are pairs of numbers which seems like separated from others. However, it's difficult to predict what is in the empty spaces because some numbers, for instance 2 appears only in a few spaces, so it's difficult to figure out how they are rearranged. So let's try to figure out what happens. So some predicted numbers, predicted pairs are already pairs or triples are already here like this, and we don't need at least to count again what triples must be here. Okay, let's start with these four numbers. So you have 3 9 3 9 3 9, and it's interesting to consider this square. Here it can be 1 3 9. I want to point out one thing, that Sudoku should have only one solution. And in this case, if I say that I have 3 9 here, okay, 3 here, 9 here, 3 here, 9 here, for instance. So these numbers are fixed in these four blocks. If I exchange 3 with 9, if I exchange just all 3 with all 9s, for instance, here I have 9, 3, 9, 3. If those numbers are correct, in that case my Sudoku should have two answers, and that is not possible. And actually this is a key for solving our Sudoku. Let's do it again. Let's write numbers. So I write, for instance, 3, and here I should write 9, here I should write 3, and finally in the entire block, 9 can be only here. And this means that my Sudoku should have two answers. That means that this combination of numbers is impossible. However, I cannot change my last 9. Therefore, probably this initial idea is wrong. So I will start with 9, 3, okay, 9 again, and now I have a choice. Here I have a choice where to put 3. If I put 3 in the blue square, then my Sudoku would have two solutions. That is not possible, so it means that I need to have another place for 3, and I found it here. So now I solve four numbers. So if I have 3 not here, so I have 3 nearby, so I can solve Sudoku very simple way. So I have here 5, and now I have 1. So I found more numbers, and then I can continue using solving Sudoku with just simple numbers. First, I start with 5. So 5 is not here, 5 is not here, and 5 cannot be here. Then I have 5 here. Then further I can finish with 4 and 7. So here I have 4, so here I should have 7. So I have 4 here, then it means here I have 6, here I have 7. So let's go further. So I can find numbers here, 3 and 4. Then if I have this 2 3, so I have this 2 3, so it means that I don't have numbers here, and because of this 3, so I should have 3 only here. then it means that here I have 1, 3, and I can think of these two numbers, which is okay, because of this 1, then it means 1 here, and the rest number is 2. Then I have 2 here, and finally I have number 6 here. Then I can think of these two numbers. So if these two numbers is 1 and 7, so 7 is here, 1 here, then I have 6, 7, so this number is 9, because 6, 7 in the same line is already occupied. Then this number is 6, this number is 7. So I just need to open 3 numbers. So on the number, so because I have 6 here, 6 here, 6 here, and 6 here, so the number in the middle is 6. So then I have, because of 4 here, I should have 4 here. It's so the number 9 is here. So this way I solved the Sudoku. So I remind the principle of solving the Sudoku again. So I start with the fact that I have these 3 numbers, 3, 9, 3, 9, 3, 9. They are kind of in the same square, and finally I can have 3 in this, 3 and 9 in this square. But besides this 3, I should have also 1. And the idea is I couldn't have such a square where numbers 3, 9, 3, 9 can be replaced each other easily, because if I write 3, 9, 3, 9, then if I replace those numbers opposite way, like 9, okay, this way, like 3, 9, 3, 9. So in this case, the Sudoku has 2 solutions, which is impossible. If I write 3, 9, 3, 9, the rest number must be, okay, I can have only 9 in this square, and this why this combination of numbers is incorrect. So in opposite, I should start with 9, 3, 9, and then 3 cannot be here. 3 cannot be here, so I can only have 3 here. That combination would be correct. And then I solve Sudoku, the rest of Sudoku very easy, because if I know this 3, so I can find this 1 and 5, and other numbers will be easily found. So in this situation, I don't need to search for my special key number by guessing. I found this number by logical way, so exclusion, incorrect combination of numbers. I hope you like this video and hope you find it useful for you. See you next time. Bye bye.